Hey guys, how you doing? Back another video and welcome to my channel. And today I want to show you magic magnet swivel clip by the GoPro lifetime warranty. And this is a clip for your GoPro and the light mode. Okay, you can fit any GoPro in this. And let's get started. You can use like that, open the box and follow the instruction and you guys good to go. First, paperwork is nothing but it. And the clip, you put your GoPro and your light mod. Okay, it's right there. When you guys open the box, you can see the GoPro clip. The actual name is a Zeus Mini. You guys check on the online. Okay, and the last thing, screw for the whatever. And the cool thing about this a clip, you guys rotate a 360 angle. Look, okay, you guys rotate in 360 angle. And second, this is a magnet. Okay, you can see the logo here, a magnet. This is a magnet. Okay, I'm show you how it's working in the end of the video. Okay, before just waste our time, let's start. First thing, open the GoPro logo and just easily slide in, and it's automatically fit. And just close it. That's it, very easy. And put your light mod in there. When you install your light mod and screw it, hold on guys, it's a pain in the ass sometimes. Shit guys. Okay guys, okay, let's like see, this is really cool thing when you guys traveling, you guys walking in your neighbor, you guys biking, and you guys go to hiking or somewhere, you guys use this. And I told you this is a 360. Okay, put your GoPro, your light mode like that. It just work different situations. How you have situation, you guys use this. You guys rotate in 360 angle, I told you. Okay, this is your a light mod, like I told you. This is really good thing by the GoPro. Oh my gosh, this is so bright guys. Okay, and second, this is a magnet. Let's see, let's show you how it's working. I want to find something, a magnet. I have this here, you can see. This is the magnet here. Okay, and third, this is the hard clip. Okay, you guys put your finger and it hurts. This is very solid. Think $24, not bad, cheap. Okay, if you guys don't like this, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, you guys at Amazon have a lot of things. You guys search GoPro a magnet clip and it shows you a lot of things. Okay, and let's see, put my GoPro inside. Okay, let's do it. This is a new GoPro Max 360, and GoPro released two GoPro Hero 8 and GoPro Max. This is a higher expensive one, $499 plus insurance, everything. And they have two cameras. Okay, and let's see how it works. This is also solid, guys. This is my, you guys put your GoPro like that, as you can see, and it fits very well. Okay, this is a cool accessory for the GoPro. I'm sorry. Okay, and before the end of the video, I wanna just tell you guys, please subscribe my channel, share my video, comments, and yep, you guys also put like that whatever have a situations, you guys hiking, biking. Okay, this also work with the 360. You put like that or like that, it depend how which you is. This is a 360, you know what I mean? So you guys use anything anywhere you want, how you guys wanna. Okay, how I like this about a magnet and a 360 rotating. Okay, this is have also lifetime warranty. Clip your GoPro to your backup. It's very cool, guys. This is the steps, and yep. Please, guys, I'm end of the video, and